In Cleveland, the number of missing children has surpassed 1,000, coinciding with a significant law enforcement action by Ohio's Attorney General. Last week, more than 160 individuals were apprehended in a sting operation named Operation Buyer's Remorse, shedding light on a grave issue in the state. The arrested individuals represent diverse backgrounds, spanning from EMTs, nurses, educators, retirees, former law enforcement officers, self-employed individuals, delivery drivers, and various others, as disclosed by Ohio Attorney General Yost. Among those apprehended, the youngest was a 17-year-old, while the oldest was 84. This six-day crackdown on human trafficking in Ohio resulted in the detention of over 160 adults, encompassing individuals from various professions, including doctors, nurses, and former law enforcement personnel. According to a press release from Ohio Attorney General Dave Yost, the week's operations also led to the arrest and charges against 149 Johns involved in seeking prostitution. Furthermore, 2 individuals were apprehended for attempting to engage in sexual activities with minors, and 6 were arrested for promoting prostitution. During these raids, which included 11 massage parlors, more than 100 human trafficking victims were identified and provided with referrals to healthcare and social service organizations. Yost expressed gratitude for the collaborative efforts of all partners in the fight against human trafficking, emphasizing a straightforward message: don't buy sex in Ohio. While the families of the 104 victims discovered during the recent raids can begin the process of healing, it's important to note that hundreds of thousands of families are impacted by the loss of their children each year. On average, over 400,000 children go missing in the United States annually, according to the Federal Office of Juvenile Justice and Delinquency Prevention. Unfortunately, many of these cases remain unresolved. This year alone, Cleveland, Ohio reported over 1,000 missing children, including 50 in September, as reported by Attorney General Yost. He voiced concerns about potential gaps in addressing missing children cases and underscored the significance of parental vigilance in these situations. Over the past 39 years, the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children has received more than 5 million calls to its hotline, 1-800-THE-LOST, highlighting the persistent threats that children face in an increasingly digital world. Ohio's recent sting operation underscores the gravity of the issue, as individuals entrusted with protection and service instead engaged in kidnapping and harm. Attorney General Yost reiterated the diverse backgrounds of those arrested in this operation, emphasizing the importance of continued efforts to combat human trafficking and protect vulnerable individuals.